Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I decided to bring in something different. Before I go deep into it, let me tell you the story behind it. So this day I went to the market, Oshodi market, and I saw this woman selling manual blender, and I decided to buy it. It wasn't like I just wanted to buy it, I needed one. And I've been thinking of getting the usual one, and when I saw this one, I decided to try it out. I don't know how it works. I don't know if I've seen this with any vendor before. With what I'm seeing, I don't know if this is a blender or a juicer. So let's just try it out. Okay guys, this is what's in the carton. It's plastic, yes, it has a plastic jar, and so let's just see if it will work. So I tried to try it with this pepper. As I was grinding this thing, I don't know, it's bringing out liquids. So I think this thing is a juicer, not really a blender. It's a juicer because what I'm seeing is liquid. Obviously I can't see the inner part because it is inside. So what I noticed is if you really want to use this thing, you have to put in a lot of work because you have to hold it by the neck. So you have to hold it very tight and apply pressure, a lot of pressure. But the thing is, the result I'm seeing here is actually good because this pepper, you can use it for anything. You can use it for your rice, for your spag. You can use it for your beans. I really didn't expect much from it, but still it tried. I'll still try it with beans, juice, and other things so that I can know what this thing is really for. So guys, don't forget to like this video, drop your comments, let me know what you think about this blender, let me know if you have this blender, and let me know if you are going to get this blender, and also share my videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, see you next time, stay on this channel, I love you, bye.